Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about Windows 10 and how to create folders. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you see here is my desktop. Look down here on your taskbar to see if you have an icon that looks like a folder, called File Explorer. If you hover over it, it'll say a File Explorer, and you can open it by clicking on it. If you don't see File Explorer on your taskbar, you can find it by pressing the Windows key or clicking the Windows button in the bottom left corner. Then, type in eFile Explorer. When it appears, you can right-click it and select Pin to Taskbar to keep it easily accessible. Mine says Unpin because I already have it on my taskbar. Let's go ahead and open up File Explorer. On the left side, you'll see a navigation menu. We're going to discuss how to create folders, so let's first figure out where to put them. I'm going to choose this PC, which will save the folders on my hard drive, specifically my C drive. Clicking this PC expands a menu, and from there, I'll go to Documents. Let's say I have school coming up, and I want to prepare by creating a folder for my Microsoft Office class. To create a new folder, right-click in any blank space in the Documents folder. Just make sure S in a blank area, not on any of the existing files or folders. Once you right-click, go down to New, and then click Folder. A new folder will be created and automatically highlighted in blue, which means you can start typing to rename it. I'll type Microsoft Office 2016 and press Enter to finalize the name. Now that I have my Microsoft Office 2016 folder, I want to organize it further by creating subfolders for each software application I'll be using. To do this, I'll double-click the Microsoft Office 2016 folder to open it. Then, I'll right-click in the blank space again, go to New, and choose Folder. I'll name this one a Word for Microsoft Word and press Enter. You can see that the Word folder now appears inside the Microsoft Office 2016 folder. Next, let's create another subfolder, this time for Excel. Instead of right-clicking, I'll show you a different way. Look up here along the top, and you'll see an icon that says New Folder. Click that, and it will create a new folder just like before. I'll name this one Excel and press Enter. One more method to create folders is by using a keyboard shortcut. If you hover over the new folder icon, you'll see it says Ctrl+Shift+N. This means that if you hold down the Ctrl and Shift keys on your keyboard and then press the N key, it will create a new folder automatically. Let's try it. I'll use the shortcut to create a folder for PowerPoint, then press Enter. So now I created folders for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint inside my Microsoft Office 2016 folder. I am ready to start organizing my files for the semester. Organizing your files is really important because it helps you find them easily when you need them. Poorly organized files are like having a messy desk full of papers. You have trouble finding what you need. I hope this video helped you learn how to create and organize folders in Windows 10. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any video requests, leave them in the comments section. I'd be happy to make a video for you. Thank you so much for watching.